Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to create shorts from any of your existing YouTube videos through the YouTube app on your mobile phone. This is a new feature YouTube just released. I have about 250 videos that are not shorts, but this new feature allows me to take any of my videos and quickly make them into shorts to drive more viewers, more subscribers, and more revenue to your channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone, so of course you're going to want to have the YouTube app installed on your phone. Launch the YouTube app, and you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your account, of course, here so you can see your profile picture. Once you're logged in, at the bottom right, you'll have a library button tab. Hit library, and then these are all my videos. I can go into your videos, and this will load up all the videos on my channel, the ones that are not short. So I'm just going to pick one. I'll choose this one.
Hey everybody, welcome.
And pause it. This is the video I want to create into a short. So all you have to do now is hit the create button here, and then select edit into a short. This option is only available to you.
Welcome back to
I'm going to pause it again. Now you can either click this button up here on the right, change it between 15 seconds or 60 seconds, and then you can drag, of course, your timeline.
Hey everybody, welcome.
Timeline down here at the bottom to make it fit into your 15 or 60
back to another quick
short. Hit the next button. It might take a few minutes to process. Okay, it is almost done processing. So once it's
back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about whether I think
I'm going to turn down the volume here. You can add text to your short if you'd like, change the timelines, add filters, things like that. Once you're done, hit the next button, and then you're going to add details, the title of your short, if you want to make it public, add tags, and then you just select the upload short button at the bottom, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this video informative on how to, create shorts out of your normal videos. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.